Want youthful, glowing skin without spending a fortune on expensive creams or treatments? Then it's time to discover the natural anti-aging power of Moringa. For the best results, try the Moringa Magic Supplement, a premium dietary supplement designed to support radiant, healthy skin from within. Link is in the description below. Moringa, also known as the miracle tree, is loaded with skin-loving nutrients that your body craves as it ages. It's rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help fight off free radicals, the culprits behind premature wrinkles, fine lines, and dull skin. But that's not all. Moringa also contains vitamin A, which promotes the production of new skin cells, and vitamin E, which keeps your skin hydrated and soft. These nutrients work together to slow down the signs of aging, leaving your skin looking firmer, brighter, and more youthful. One of the most powerful benefits of Moringa is its ability to boost collagen production naturally. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, leading to sagging skin and wrinkles. Moringa helps replenish this vital protein, keeping your skin smooth and elastic. Regular use of Moringa, especially in supplement form, can help reduce age spots, even out your skin tone, and enhance your skin's natural glow. And if you're dealing with skin issues like dryness or irritation, Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe and repair damaged skin from the inside out. Now, if you're wondering how to easily include this miracle plant in your daily routine, the answer is simple: Moringa Magic Supplement. It delivers all these benefits in a convenient capsule made from high-quality Moringa leaf extract, so you can support your skin health anytime, anywhere. So why wait for signs of aging to appear? Nourish your skin from the inside and let your natural beauty shine through. Try Moringa Magic today and unlock the secret to younger-looking skin. Link in the description below. Stay youthful, stay glowing, stay confident with the power of Moringa Magic.